Alright, back with another video. Just received some more silver. Let's see what we get. So it's only took 2 days to get from ATMATS. I was actually expecting to get it Saturday, so get it today on Friday. It's always a good thing to get it a day early than when you're expecting it. Let's get our receipt up. See, this actually made my 41st order. So, yeah, we're about to take it out the pack. Alright, so this is the one I left off on the last video that I was expecting to receive. It has finally arrived. Another America the Beautiful 5-ounce coin, but this time instead of the random pick that I got last time, I chose the 2020 National Park of American Samoa. So this came out last month actually, so it's still fairly new. The second one in the series for this year will be coming out next month, so I'm gonna grab that one too. Like I said on the last video, I'm going to get all 5 of these. So this is the first of 5. Got 4 more to get for the year. And like I said on the last video, the last one they're going to release in February 2021, Alabama, the Tuskegee Airmen National Park. So yeah, so the unit price for this, I paid $109. Now silver prices have have dropped at big time. You know, with this coronavirus and all that going on. I just checked a few minutes ago. It's $14.74 an ounce. So, I mean, you can probably get the same coin now because I just paid $109 for it. You can probably get the same coin now for about $100, maybe $102. You get it for a few dollars less, but the price is going to go back up, so it's not a big deal. But once again, this is a nice coin also. You know, you still got the same, George Washington on the front. On the obverse. And on the reverse, so you got the National Park 2020 there. So like I said, it's backed by the U.S. Mint. It's a government coin. Face value of 25 cents. Like I said, right now you take that $14.74, or roughly $15 times 5. You know, you do the math. Plus a little extra. You know, say it'd been a government coin. These coins go up every single year. So I'm sure this time next year, as I paid $109 for this, maybe worth $130 next year. So I'm just trying to get them while they last. But like I said, this is the American Samoa. They got their fruit bats. I believe that's what it is. Logo. They're on the reverse side. So like I said, it's a really nice coin. You got your 999 fine silver 5-ounce right here on the rim of the coin. It's kind of hard to see it, but so yeah, it's really nice. You know, I'm gonna stack all of these for this year. So next month I'm gonna go ahead and buy the second one for the 2020 series. And yeah, I like it. I really like it. It's a nice coin. I was actually sharing it with a coworker at work, and he's thrilled about it. He's actually interested now to get into precious metals, so that makes me feel pretty good just to be able to share that knowledge and have someone else interested in it. So, all right, thank you for watching if you watched it. All right, later.